everyone, my name is Rachel and I'm a patient care consultant here at Elite Body Sculpture Atlanta, and today we're going to be showcasing a full abdomen AirSculpt procedure, and I'm super excited for that. It's one of our most popular procedures, so come on in. Right now I'm taking you through the lovely waiting room. Right this way down the hall with me. Alright, so we're walking down here to the procedure room. We're going to go in and check on our patient, Tori. Hi everyone, this is the amazing Dr. Suzanne Bedford and our patient, Tori. Hey, how are you feeling so far, Tori?
I feel good.
Awesome, I'm glad to hear that. What would you describe it as?
Just pressure.
Okay.
And sometimes you can tickle, which is interesting.
Yes.
Yeah, just pressure, like vibrations and pressure.
Okay, that's pretty awesome because a lot of people are nervous, but it really just feels like a vibration, as you can see.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm not uncomfortable in my knees.
Tori's never had surgery before, so she didn't really know what to expect. Oh, she's been doing great.
Yeah.
That's awesome. And why did you choose AirSculpt, Tori?
I like the fact that I'm awake and completely coherent. And you know, like I can ask different questions. They can ask me how I'm feeling. So I really appreciate that.
Yeah, what kind of music did you decide to listen to?
We're listening to Miguel Radio today.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Very smooth.
Yeah.
And you can see how much fat's coming out. So Dr. Bedford, you've already done her half, pretty much. That's awesome. You all can really see that curve coming into effect. And it's perfect right now because it's still hot outside. So getting this done will have you looking right for all those cute little fall outfits.
Yeah, and fall weddings. All the weddings I can go to now.
That's a great point.
Yeah.
A lot of people want to fit into a wedding dress or a bridesmaid gown, and this is going to help get rid of those stubborn fat pockets that just don't respond to diet and exercise.
Yeah.
Absolutely. And Tori, we've talked about this. You're an active person. You work out, and a lot of people are like that. But this is going to get those areas that no matter how much you diet, no matter how much you exercise, they just don't bulge.
Yeah.
And it's permanent.
Yeah, it is. This has forever been my constant struggle area. And I was just so sick of it. So now it's gone.
Definitely. So, would you recommend this to your friends and family?
Absolutely.
You would?
Absolutely.
Great. I'm glad to hear that. And also, I'm going to ask, do you have any plans for traveling coming up?
Yeah, I have 2 bachelorette weekends to do, 2 weddings. Yeah, a lot of weddings because everyone pushed it off, and now I feel better about coming back together. So, yeah, so much coming up.
Nice. So, as you can see, if you guys didn't catch it earlier, we're getting a lot of fat out, as you can see. And the best part about AirSculpt is it's permanent fat removal. So once it's gone for good. A lot of people like to take a picture of it and everything, so you can see how much has come out and what's gone for good. That's the best part about it. Yes. And how long have you been in here about?
That's a good question.
Maybe about 30 minutes?
An hour-ish.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
We're getting close to being done.
Yeah.
That's good. And we can take up to 5 liters of fat out at once. So AirSculpt is a one and done procedure.
Yeah.
Yeah. Perfect. Well, thank you so much, Tori, for answering those questions. And thank you, Dr. Bedford. We appreciate you both.
Thank you so much.
Hi, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning into that. As you could see, Tori was completely comfortable during the procedure. And for those who missed out, what she had done with Dr. Bedford was her entire abdomen, what we call the full abdomen, which is the upper abs, lower abs, waist, and love handles. I'd say that's one of our most popular procedures here at Elite Body Sculpture in Atlanta, and particularly for the summertime. Speaking of summertime, a lot of people are wondering when can they go to the beach, pool, or ocean after this procedure? That's a great question, and you want to avoid any contact with the body of water until your little entry points heal up. Once they've healed, you can get back in the water, and it can range from 2 to 3 weeks for people before those are healed, typically. A lot of people also are asking about flying because it is the summertime. You may be visiting family, right? We've all been isolated during this pandemic, so you may want to visit some family or friends or go to another country. Well, before you fly, you want to at least wait 48 hours before flying, typically. So, is there a BMI limit? That's another question that just popped up. So there is no BMI limit for AirSculpt. We sculpt patients of all shapes and sizes. Also, AirSculpt is a one and done procedure. We can take up to 5 liters of fat out at once, and that's a lot of fat. That's 2.5 party-sized Coke bottles, to put it in perspective. So again, AirSculpt is not a series-based treatment, it's one and done, and that's the best part about it. So speaking of results, a lot of people want to know, when do they see their results with AirSculpt? The beauty of it, as you could see with Tori and Dr. Bedford, you see your results on the table. We'll give you a mirror if you want. You're shrinking before your very eyes. However, there is a recovery process with some healing. So give yourself at least a week to see some changes. And it's going to get better and better over time. A week is just the tip of the iceberg. Okay, a lot of people are asking about garments. How do I have to wear a garment? How long? So you do have to wear a compression garment, and you want to wear that compression garment for at least 2 weeks after the procedure. Great question. All right, well, thank you guys for tuning into that. I hope you enjoyed watching that full abdomen procedure. We hope to see you soon. Take care.